I've been doing business mentoring for just over 12 months. I've been to other mentoring programs, but I decided to come to Create so that I could be more organised and a bit more structured and learn something new so I can take my business forward. The business mentoring has helped me see why my business is not growing, and it's helped me put a few things in place or help me to see how I can move forward. Business mentoring has impacted on my business in a way that has given me confidence to know that I'm moving in the right direction, that I'm doing the right things, and it's helping me to move forward at a quicker pace. I have experienced a 50% increase in turnover, which I'm very happy with, and I'm hoping to grow that even more. I would definitely recommend business mentoring, especially from Create's perspective, because what they do is they don't just work on structures and systems, they work on your belief system and try and correct negative belief systems so that you can change, so that you can be more prosperous orientated and you can move forward. The reason why I'd recommend Create is that many businesses struggle to grow and to prosper because they have the incorrect thought processes or they have limiting belief systems. And Create are very good at bringing that out and showing people that they can change their belief systems in order to be successful.